So what the hell is going on right now? You guys, we're gonna cover the market update in the economy, in the real estate market. I have some key points I wanna talk about today. We're talking about price drops, skyrocketing interest rates, increased inventory, half of the demand, and massive layoffs. Stay tuned, watch this update.
First of all, I hope you guys are all doing really well. And I hope you guys are planning what you are gonna do as we hit this recession and planning of how you're gonna take advantage and benefit from this recession like so many other people before us have taken advantage and built wealth in a time like this. This is the time where the lazy, unskilled people get out of business and where the skilled, hardworking people rise to the top. So let's take advantage. Let's dive into our first article. It is from the LA Times, right on the front page. If you haven't seen it yet, look it up. Here's I'm gonna put a copy on the screen right now. And so it starts by saying home sellers are cutting list prices, slashing list prices in Los Angeles County. But this is something I've noticed in multiple counties. I'm talking to agents all across the nation, and they are saying things are actually slowing down significantly. Now, I think we're already in a recession, and I think the data proves it. It's just the news isn't agreeing, or the news hasn't broadcast that exactly yet. I bet you in the next 30 to 60 days, the news is gonna say we are officially in a recession. Let's go on to the next article. This one is from CNBC. 30-year mortgage rate surges to 6.28%, up from 5.5% just a week ago. Oh my goodness, that's over 0.75%. And today, as the feds meet, I think it's today, if I'm wrong, it is what it is, but they're meeting soon, and we're looking at possibly another 0.75%, and that would be insane. All right, Jerome Powell, think of the nation, think of your people. Okay, let's go on to the next article, also by CNBC. Mortgage demand is now roughly half of what it was a year ago as interest rates move even higher. That means obviously mortgage demand has a lot to do with refinances, also purchases. So we're seeing half. That also means big news for the lending industry and those who are employed and in business in the lending field. Let's move on to the next article, also with CNBC. Home builder sentiment drops to lowest level in 2 years as housing demand slows. Let's take a quick look at these bullet points. Builders have grown more pessimistic about the state of the housing market. Sentiment, which has fallen for 6 months, is getting hit by higher interest rates. Mortgage demand has fallen to less than half of what it was a year ago. Wow. Job losses. Let's take a look at this. Massive layoffs in the tech industry. Massive layoffs across all industries. For example, even Tesla mentioned they're cutting 10% of their employees. And you can't work from home, or they don't want you to work from home. I think we're gonna see a lot more of that. So these companies, big tech companies, big leading world companies are cutting employment, some of them 20%. So the next thing I'm gonna look at right now with you guys, and the last thing is the Palmdale market trend. It says the median list price of homes in Palmdale, California was $519,900 in April compared to $389,450 in 2021. So wow, median list price went way up high, right? And that sounds like a bubble because of how fast that went up. How fast that went up seems like a bubble that wants to pop. What am I saying? Why is that important? Why is the inventory important at 411? Still low inventory, Tom. Yes, it's low inventory. However, take a look at how fast inventory has climbed. It went from 142 a year ago to 411. That's a fast climb in inventory, and we're seeing half the demand for people that are looking for mortgage applications. That means buyer demand is down, inventory is up, the economy is starting to feel all this inflation, and we're also starting to feel job losses. You guys, thanks for joining me. Not here to scare you. I'm here to encourage you, excite you, and get you ready to buy homes at the right time if you're looking to invest. Very, very smart thing to do. We saw these things go up. Also, look into the stock market, look into crypto. They're at their lowest lows they've been for years. This is the time where people can get wealthy and create create a long-lasting wealth and future for their families. I hope you guys take advantage of it. I'm doing everything I can to take advantage of it. And when you're ready to buy or sell, or you need a referral for a good agent in your area, that's when you call me. That's when you call me at 661-839-3983. That's the numbers that's somewhere below, somewhere on the screen. Call me, text me, ask me any question, and I'll get right back to you guys. Thanks. God bless. Till next time.